plunger balloons to any nozzle and fill them all at once. You'll be firing while the neighbors are filling them one by one. Water balloon.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test, no action is needed. If this had been an actual alert, you would hear important information after the beep you just heard. This test is now concluded.
Coming soon, right here on the Nick Jr. channel. All next week, don't miss premieres of Peter Rabbit. Starting Monday night at 6, right here on the Nick Jr. channel.
Once upon a time.